Welcome, readers. Today we are going to be working with suffixes. Do you remember what a suffix is? Well, we know that a prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a word to change that word and its meaning. So a suffix is a word part added to the end of a word to change the word and its meaning. Our goal today is to read and understand words with the suffix OUS. When we read words with this suffix, we usually pronounce the suffix this way, is. That might not have been what you were expecting. When we add the OUS suffix to the end of a word, it changes that word from a noun, a person, place, or thing, to an adjective, a describing word. The suffix OUS means full of. Let's read some words with this suffix. Read with me. Victorious. This word is victorious. When I see this word, I recognize that the base word is victory. That's a noun that means success or that you've won in a competition. So the word victorious describes some sort of success or winning. When I think of the word victorious, I think of racing, and I think about that feeling when you are victorious and you come in first place. It's just amazing to be victorious. Too bad these aren't mine. I should probably give these back soon, huh? Let's move on to our next word. Mysterious. This word is mysterious. Do you see the base word? Mystery. A mystery is something that we don't know or totally understand. When we say mysterious, it describes something that is a mystery, full of mystery. When I think of something very mysterious, I think of the mysterious disappearance of all of the socks in my house. Can you tell me about that? Why is it that I always have one out of a pair of two socks? It is so mysterious and I can never figure it out. One more word. Here we go. Famous. The base word here is fame. Fame is something that means that all kinds of people know you. Most people know who you are. So the word famous means you're full of fame. It describes having fame. Do you know anybody that's famous? Sometimes people get all of their fame from posting videos on social media. I'm wondering if you can think of anybody famous. All right, it's time to move on. Let's see if we can read all of these words together. Victorious, mysterious, famous. Now, let's go back and it's your turn this time to read these words by yourself. Victorious, mysterious, famous. Now that we have gotten so good at reading and understanding words with the suffix OUS, let's read some OUS words in a story. Let's read this story together. See if you can read and understand words with the suffix OUS. Kara loved her mountainous forest. She knew the forest wasn't dangerous. She sat still and listened to the glorious sounds of the birds. Did you notice any words with the OUS suffix? I did. For example, when I read this word here, I noticed the base word mountain and then the OUS suffix. mountainous is the word, which means full of mountains. I also noticed this word here, dangerous. And when I did, I noticed the base word danger and then the OUS suffix, dangerous, which means full of danger. Very nice work today, reading words with this OUS suffix. As you're reading, see if you can find this suffix in the books that you read. Until we meet next time, be on the lookout for word parts that help you read and understand words.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by viewers like you. Thank you.